is a Hizbul Mujahideen module busted in a joint operation by Jammu and Kashmir Police and the army in Handwara. 2 terrorists have been arrested. They're being interrogated at the moment. My colleague Shuja getting us more details. Yes, Shuja.
Ari.
Shuja, if you can hear me at the moment, what more details are we getting?
Operation that has taken place.
Okay, we'll try and connect with Shuja with more details emerging from this joint operation where 2 terrorists have been arrested. They're being interrogated at the moment in Handwara. Shuja, do we know about the questioning that's underway of these 2 terrorists? Links which are drawn to Pakistan as well as Hizbul Mujahideen module has been busted.
Well, that's right. This morning, the police sent across a statement that they have busted this module of Hizbul Mujahideen in Handwara. Now, what we know so far is that it was a joint operation. The intel was developed by the police through its local sources, and they were investigating this entire issue and finally conducted raids and have nabbed these 2 militants. Now, the police sources are saying that they'll be questioned, there will be more, thorough investigation carried out, and links will be, established with other modules possibly working in and around this area. But it is significant considering the kind of activities that have been happening in past couple of weeks, particularly in this area of North Kashmir. We've seen increased number of infiltration bids taking place, and if there are infiltration bids taking place, there would definitely be people, in the hinterland who would be waiting for them to receive these infiltrators. And if it is in that connection, that it is a huge success for the security forces, so to speak.
All right, thanks Shuja for joining us with those details. More news coming in. Stay with us.